हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल मार्केट 360 डिग्री में। आज हम बात करेंगे करंट आईपीओ नोरेका लिमिटेड के बारे में। तो नोरेका को हम डिनोट कर सकते हैं द वेलनेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर। चलिए जानकारी लेते हैं इस कंपनी के बारे में, आईपीओ की पूरी डिटेल के बारे में। तो हमारा आज का एजेंडा रहेगा इस वीडियो का आईपीओ के बारे में, अबाउट द कंपनी, उनकी सर्विसेज क्या क्या है, प्रोडक्ट क्या क्या है, कंपनी का स्वॉट एनालिसिस, करंट ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम, एक्सपेक्टेड लिस्टिंग इन एंड लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू। नोरेका लिमिटेड द वेलनेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर। तो आईपीओ डिटेल के बारे में बात करेंगे तो इट्स अ बिग बुक बिल्डिंग इशू। आईपीओ 15 से 17 के बीच में है, तो कल क्लोज हो जाएगा ये आईपीओ। प्राइस बैंड 396 से 400 के बीच में है, तो रिटेलर याद रहे 400 इज़ अ कट ऑफ प्राइस। बहुत ही छोटा इशू है, ओनली 100 करोड़ का आईपीओ है। रिटेल इन्वेस्टर का कोटा बहुत छोटा है, ओनली 10%। एंड सिंगल रिटेल जो लॉट साइज़ है वो 35 शेयर का है। एंड टोटल अमाउंट जो एक सिंगल एप्लीकेशन में ब्लॉक होगा वो 14,000 के पास में रहेगा। इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स, आईपीओ ऑलरेडी ओपन हो चुका है, 15 को क्लोज हो रहा है, 17 विच इज़ टुमारो। एंड अलॉटमेंट एक्सपेक्टेड 23rd, आईपीओ लिस्टिंग होगा 26th of February. About Nureka Limited, so it's a very young company incorporated in 2016, so only 5-year-old company involved in wellness distribution. They have lot of products for wellness, like they supply nutrition, they supply equipment, they supply life saving equipments used in orthopedic and other lifestyle devices used in critical illnesses. Clientele, they have a clientele across the India, especially they sell through online presence. Their main USP is to focus on quality and the innovation product. This is the first company to sell through online, especially medical devices on their website drtusk.in. Pre IPO, the promoter holding is 93.33%. The purpose of IPO company लाना क्या चाहती, तो वो पर्पस वेरी स्टैंडर्ड, वर्किंग कैपिटल they need money, fund for corporate purpose, benefit of share listing. Now talk about financial. Though it's a very small company incorporated only 5 years ago, but you can see their sales figure are decent. You can see FY18 में 20 करोड़ का सेल था, 3 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट था। FY19 में 62 करोड़ का सेल था, 6 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट था। FY20 में रेवेन्यूज जंप करके 100 करोड़ पहुंच गया एंड प्रॉफिट इज 6.4। एंड FY21 में हाफ ईयरली में ही देख सकते हैं कि रेवेन्यू हैज जंप ऑलमोस्ट double from FY19, which is 122, and profit is 36. And this is especially because of COVID-19 के कारण होम वेलनेस प्रोडक्ट का सेल्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा था, that's why it's high on sales. Now we talk about the SWOT analysis of the company, especially strength. They have a diversified product portfolio. Product portfolio consists of different kind of medical equipment, innovative product in healthcare, nutrition and all. Experienced promoter and management team, strong online distribution network, premium quality healthcare and the wellness product. Weakness, manufacturing operate at only 20% capacity, mainly depend on imported devices, so they have to import the devices and sell it. And services decreases due to COVID-19, so there are a lot of issues. That's why there are a lot of issues in COVID-19 due to COVID-19, so their sales little bit affected. Now opportunity for this company, healthcare market itself is a huge market in India, so yes, there is a big future ahead, and it's a young company, so this is a more or like a more entrepreneur skills are there. threat. So this company into very generic product, but yeah, their working style is different, but they are working in a very high competition from different medical company and different agencies, and even different, international brands also. Due to, now we have seen the financial in FY21, we have seen there's a big jump in sales, and this is purely due to the pandemic COVID-19. And now COVID-19 is about to finish and things are going to get back to normal, so definitely home care product sales will drastically go down. And big, competition from unorganized sector like pharma medical shops and other small vendor for the pharmaceutical product and the devices. Now apply or not, so we have discussed about everything. Now we discuss about their key strength and weaknesses. Strong player in online selling. Healthcare itself is a big market in India. They have very diversified product, and yes, they also focus on innovation and quality. Now their weakness area, they are highly dependent on the imported product. If something goes wrong with the imported country, or any product, any problem with the particular company in internationally, so they might have some problem. Tough competition from local vendors or unorganized sector. And changes in government policies. Now they are into medical, and if there is any changes in medical government policies, it is affecting their business. Also, if there is any changes in importing regulation, their sales and their supply chain highly impacted. Now talk about the market, current market, gray market premium and listing gain. Before that, as we said that this IPO is already started, 2 day before, and tomorrow is the last date. You can see as on today the subscription is QIB still zero, no QIB participation. NII or HNI is still very low, 1.48 times, but retail investor is high, 80 times. But however, retail investor quota is very small, that's why the oversubscription figures are really high. However, as on date, their grey market premium is falling, and as per today, grey market premium stands somewhere around 30 rupees per equity share. Long-term perspective, we don't suggest any long-term perspective of this company. Looks good because they are into a business where a lot of competition are there, margins are thin, and fierce changes there. If any changes in policies or government regulation, there might be a lot of issues. So our overall suggestion for this IPO is that if you have additional fund for IPO, then yes, you can apply, but apply with the limited quantity and only for listing gain. Only and only for listing gain. I better suggest, if you want to apply and you have a limited fund, then go for the RailTel IPO. And again, we give our disclaimer that we are not a SEBI registered, so please consult with your financial advisor before investing in stock market. Again, if you have any query regarding IPO, this IPO and any other IPO, or any stock related query, we can help you out. You can connect through our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp, and even our email ID. Hope this IPO season will help you to find out good profits, and have a great day. Bye bye.